Today I'm here to show you the Dupray multi-use steam cleaner. One of the reasons I got this was because I was tired of using harsh chemical cleaners, and even the all-natural cleaners, I didn't know how all-natural they really were. This allows me to clean with just steam. I don't know if you're like me, but I love having a clean house and I absolutely hate cleaning. That is until I got this. This has completely changed the game for me, and I'm so excited to show you all about it. So right out of the box, you'll see it is this nice cube, and a couple of things. It has a really long tube. Okay, so this is where all the steam comes out of, and this is the general handle that it comes with. You'll see there are two buttons here. There are actually a couple. This one right here makes the steam come out, and this one on top, if you dispense the steam and then click this, it'll hold it in place, so the steam will be continuous, which is really helpful so that your fingers don't get tired. This holds 40 quarts of water, I believe, and they suggest distilled water just so it doesn't get gunky on the inside, but if you have to use tap, I think that's fine too. And so you just pour the water in and screw in this cap. Definitely wait until the machine is completely cooled before you unscrew it, just because there's a lot of pressure built up in there and that could be a disaster. This is also easy. I mean, it's a little bulky, but what they've done is they have this cord feature on the bottom. So the cord wraps all around here. You also see the wheels, so this makes it super easy to move around when you're cleaning. A couple of other features it comes with are these extenders. And again, the mechanism here is just you push it in, and that comes out. This is the floor cleaning one, and this one is incredible. You'll see it has those ridges there. It comes with 3 of these cleaning pads, and they just kind of Velcro on there. And I'm going to show you in just a minute how well this cleans. And then you can also, it has these hinges up top so that you can kind of do like a Swiffer where you put something in, put a microfiber towel, and then clamp it down on the sides. There is the window washing attachment, which I haven't tried yet, but I'm sure is great. And my favorite attachment is this nozzle. So this one snaps on here, and you can use it just like this and get a really nice, powerful stream of steam. Or you can use these little attachments. And y'all, this is where the cleaning, like, you really amp up your cleaning game. And so that just pops right in there. And this is a amazing little scrubber. And then finally, there is this little triangle shaped attachment. This you can clean just as it is, and again, using these bristles to really scrub an area. But it also comes with this cute little cotton bonnet that goes over it. And then this is what you would use if you were going to clean any kind of furniture, a mattress, etc. So let's get to work. Okay, we got the green light. It's time to go clean. But you see the black smudge down there? That is from some exercise mats that we had outside that weren't actually made for outside. They just kind of disintegrated and left all this black residue. So I'm gonna see how well this little machine can get rid of it. The first thing I'm gonna do is just spray it and heat up the area. Next up, we're gonna use this attachment. Yes, this is so satisfying. Y'all, that is coming right up. And now let's see it work against this baked on gunk on my stovetop. Oh, well, it just wipes right off. I absolutely recommend this steam cleaner, and it truly can work in any space of your house. I hope this was helpful.